Welcome to this amazing apartment right in the heart of Javea. Come have a look. So this apartment consists of 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a kitchen, a living room and a terrace which overlooks the Arenal. So on this side of the living room you can find 2 bedrooms, of which one is a double and the other one is a single bedroom. Down the hallway you have another master bedroom, a kitchen and a bathroom. So because of its location, apartments like these are great for an investment. As you can see, the sea is right over there, as well as the bars and the restaurants and the beach. So the location is just perfect. And apartments like these in the current market can actually go for about €1,200 a week in the summer months.